Be a lifelong learner is something that is stuck with me from my early career mentors. Learning gains depth when the knowledge learned is applied. In the quest of growing in my competency and abilities to accelerate to higher roles, embarked me to take up this program to grow in my profession. And I'm confident that this program will give me an edge that will contribute to shape my aptitude and also develop capabilities to associate in the field of academics. I'm Lalita Gowda. I would like to take you through a brief introduction to my education and career history. I graduated in commerce and pursued my master's in HRM from the University of Mumbai, further pursued the Executive General Management program from IIM Bangalore, and did a host of certifications to add value in my profession of HR and learning and development. The most recent being that I'm pursuing the ACC certification from the International Coach Federation. I started my career in sales, spent 3 years, moved to training and development, that is behavioral and soft skills and product training. And 2004 is when I embarked in my career of HR. Over 16 plus years of experience in various ITS organizations and playing various roles in HR, VP, HR generalist, and operations for various business groups. I can say that I'm self motivated, process driven, problem solving, interpersonal skills that I've developed as my core competencies. In addition to consulting and engaging at all levels of management and business in providing various strategic and consulting programs for talent acquisition, comp and ben, retention, engagement, etc. I'm a highly enthusiastic person to learn new skills and I continue to be associated with various groups, primarily with coaching and human resource development. In my free time, I'm a naive blogger. I'm learning to play the Veena instrument. I practice yoga. I like making candles and also listen to music. I'm associated with the Cherry Blair Foundation where I volunteer mentoring to women entrepreneurs. And I'm a very enthusiastic car rallyist. Under personal branding, I've given a goal to myself this year to create an executive presence and influence leadership and management by creating a stellar HR profile. And lastly, I would like to take this opportunity to thank everyone, the program organizers, and look forward to associating with my fellow participants and embark on this in depth learning journey once again. Thank you so much.